I'm Doug Fourier. I'm going to describe the liver channel with specific emphasis on liver 3, 4, and 8. So the liver channel is a yin channel paired with gallbladder. Liver looks after blood issues, and the liver channel is going to look after liver and gallbladder issues, so below the diaphragm. So we have liver 1 at the nail bed, liver 2, liver 3, which is between the first and second metatarsals, just proximal to the base. Then we're going to come up to liver 4. We find the lateral malleolus. Bring the big toe up. So just on the medial side of the tibialis anterior tendon. We're going to come up. They're all going to go through spleen 6. So here's our spleen 6. So it's going to go through spleen 6. So we've got kidney, spleen, and liver at this level. As we come up like posterior tibia, 5 and 6 and 7, at 7 it crosses over and goes. So now we have kidney, liver, and spleen. And we're going to go to liver 8, which is right at the junction of the semimembranosus, semitendinosus tendon. And then from 9, 10, 11, 12 at the pelvis, and then 13 and 14 on the chest wall below the diaphragm. So we go back to liver 3. Now, liver 3, we're going to put the needle in slightly superiorly, so it runs up the channel. Liver 3, liver 4, big toe up again. So it's right here. This is right at the joint line, so we're going to have to run the needle up superiorly. At liver 8, we're just going to go in perpendicular, put the needle in. Talking about function, so liver 3 is one of the 4 pain gates, so it's exactly the same as Li4. It's going to have a strain. It's one of the 4 pain gates. It's going to have a strong effect on pain, but it's also the third shoe point, the third antique point, and also the source point for the liver channel. So it's going to have a strong effect on energy, a strong effect on pain. Being at this location, because it's distal, so this is going to have, because the liver channel ends in the eye, like we have jaundice in children, that's liver dysfunction. So this can have effect on the eyes or along the channel, but it's mainly as a strong pain point and treating liver and gallbladder issues. Coming up to liver 4, it is the river point, the 4th shoe point of the liver channel, and it's going to be involved then in liver and gallbladder dysfunction in the anterior lower diaphragm area. Coming up to liver 8, this is the 5th shoe point, so this is for rebellious chi. This can have a huge effect on the knee and on the medial symptoms of the knee, but again it's going to have an effect on the liver and gallbladder dysfunction below the diaphragm.